Welcome to GoSahl Extranet, your platform to accelerate your Hajj wa Umrah business. Today we will learn how to add availability in GoSahl Extranet. First, open the GoSahl Extranet page, then click Create New. Select the hotel for which you want to add availability. Then enter the date range by selecting the from and to dates. Click on Search. Now, all the available durations will be displayed. Rooms and meals. In the Rooms section, select the room types for which you want to add quantity and prices. In the Meal section, select the meal plans to add their prices. You can add the quantity and prices individually for each day. Or you can click Bulk Batch modifier to add them in bulk. Step 1. Select the duration from date to date. We can select specific days, such as weekdays, if you want to assign a price or quantity to those days. Next, select the room types and meal plans. Step 2. Enter the required values, including the quantity and prices for the selected room types and meal plans. Click Apply to Selection. To apply the entered quantity and prices to the selected rooms and meal plans for the selected duration. And we can also select weekend days. If you want to assign a different price or quantity to those days. Select the room types and meal plans. Then the quantity and prices. Click Apply to Selection. To apply the entered quantity and prices to the selected rooms and meal plans for the selected duration. Now, we have added our availability. The restrictions rules. If we checked on Show Restrictions, now we can put some rules in some day like minimum length of stay or maximum length of stay. In this case, we set a rule that defines the minimum number of days required to make a booking. You cannot make a booking if the number of days is less than the specified minimum, or the maximum number of days required to make a booking. You cannot make a booking if the number of days is more than the specified maximum. And if we select CTA, CTD, or close sales, we can define a specific date when the rule will apply. For CTA, we cannot accept bookings with an arrival date on the selected day. For CTD, we cannot accept bookings with a departure date on the selected day. For close sales, no bookings can be made for the selected day. The final step is to publish the availability in GoSahl by clicking Save and Publish. If you click Save only, the availability will be saved but will not be published. And we can publish it later. To publish the availability, open GoSahl Extranet page. And from Actions select Sync. Thank you for using GoSahl Extranet.